automate DMs on Instagram for sales. So in this video, I'm going to show a quick demo of how this works, and also this is not about 100% automating your DMs. At any time, you can simply jump in the conversation and start talking to the particular customer as well. So it has a hybrid approach, like first the chatbot will handle the conversation, and anytime you can jump in and chat with the customer as well. So before that, let me show what are the benefits of automating the DMs on Instagram. So first of all, efficiency boost. Automating Instagram DMs streamlines sales, handling high volumes easily, and also it is always available 24/7 engagement with timely responses. For example, let's say this is a fitness coach who has over 500,000 followers on Instagram, and look at the engagement. He is getting tons of likes, and as you see, this particular post has received over 3,000 comments. So each of these comments might be a potential customer for him. So imagine he's sending the messages manually to these followers, and as this particular person has over 500,000 followers, he will be possibly receiving tons of DMs from the prospective customers asking about his services, how to join his fitness program, those kind of things. So let's see how to simplify these kind of things using AI and the chatbots. And it also provides personal touch, customized messages, enhance customer satisfaction, driving sales. And finally, you can also find data insights. Automation provides a data-driven insight for informed sales strategies and optimizing performance. So let's quickly start the demo over here. So in this demo, let me share my phone screen over here. When it comes to Instagram, you can actually automate DMs, and also you can even send automated messages when someone comments on your Instagram post or reels. So let me show the demo how this actually works. So let me choose any post over here and comment any kind of keywords. So let me do that over here. So let me choose this post and say nice. So let's say as a fitness coach, you share some kind of information in your post or reels, and that particular customer says nice, or actually it actually resonate with them, something like that. And see what happens. I just added the comment over here, and what happens is that it simply automatically send me a DM. So let me show that. So if I go to this message option, as you see, I already received a message. It says, "Hey there, thanks for checking out my post," because I commented on one of the posts over there. I appreciate the love, and it simply asks a question for the customer. How is your fitness journey going? Are there any specific fitness goals you are working towards? So it simply asks an open-ended question for the customer. So let's say if I see this message, I can simply respond to this message as well. So as you see, this particular message is sent immediately for me, but we can actually delay this message as well to make it more humanized. So let me simply I'm struggling a little bit at the moment. And I don't have enough time to focus on my fitness. So I just responding over here, and let's see what happens. So here we actually set a delay of 10 seconds. So whatever the response we get over here will be delayed 10 seconds. After that, the responses will be generated through AI and sent to the customers. So let's see how this actually respond to us over here. And as you see, we received, and it says, "I understand that finding time for fitness can be challenging. It is important to prioritize your health, even if it means starting with small manageable workouts. Do you have any specific questions or concern about fitness into your busy schedule?" As you see, the customer mentioned they have the busy schedule. It simply asks, do you have any kind of questions about fitness into your busy schedule? Yes. So let me ask a question over here. So do you work with busy professionals with custom fitness plans? Let's see what happens over here. So as I mentioned, it will actually wait. We have to wait actually 10 seconds to get the response. As you see, in the response, it actually adds the emoji at the end as well. So you can actually customize the responses to make it more humanized. And as you see here, absolutely we understand the demands of a busy schedule and can create custom fitness plans tailored to your specific needs and time constraint. Our goal is to help you to achieve your fitness goals while working around your busy lifestyle. Would you like to book a free fitness consultation to discuss your goals and how we can assist you further? So here the customer did not ask anything about booking a consultation or any kind of how to work with you, something like that, but simply it responds like we actually work with the busy professionals for their time, for the busy schedule, and simply at the end it simply asks the customer, would you like to book a free fitness consultation? So if a customer says yes, I'm interested, let's see what happens. Yes, I'm interested. So it should actually send a link to book a appointment over here. So let's see how this respond us over here. So you can even ask the date, time, and the availability, those kind of things within the DMs as well. But for this specific demo, we have created in such a way to provide just a booking calendar link. So it says, that's great to hear. You can book a free fitness consultation at this particular link. During the consultation, we can discuss your goals and all the plans we offer. We are here to help you every step of the way on your fitness journey. Looking forward to speaking with you soon. And here the customer says thanks. Let's see what happens. And as I mentioned before, at any time a fitness coach can jump in, or any appointment setter or agent can jump in this particular conversation and start talking to the customer as well. So before that, let me so for thanks, it says simply, it says you are welcome. If you have any further questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask, and don't forget to, you can always book a free fitness consultation to get personalized guidance. Keep up the great work. And it simply ends with this emoji as well. So before that, we can actually track all these conversation in this omnichannel inbox as well. So as you see, the customer actually start the chatbot using this particular comment, and let me refresh this page so that we can actually check all the responses as you see here. So customer says, yes, I'm struggling. This is how they respond, those kind of things over here. And as you see, at the moment, the bot is active because customer is talking. So anytime an agent send a message over here, the bot will be inactive. So see, the bot is active. So let me send a message, hi, over here. And immediately the bot will be inactive. As you see, the bot will be inactive over here. And if you go to human conversation, you can find that conversation as well. So let's say if you want to activate the bot, or in this time, if a particular customer send any kind of messages, the chatbot will not be active. The human agent has to respond over here. And this actually works when you actually respond to a particular customer through your Instagram inbox as well. So let me activate the bot again. So let me transfer the conversation to the bot again. So if I go to all conversation, we can find the bot is active. So so in the meantime, let me try to respond to this customer through the Instagram DMs as well. So let me switch my Instagram account over here. Right. So I have switched my Instagram account over here. As you see, the bot is active over here. So I am actually using this particular Instagram as chatting media. Let me send a follow-up message. Did you get a chance to book the call? So as a human, let me send a follow-up message. Did you get a chance to book the call? Something like that, and see what happens. So the bot active. So this particular conversation, let me show like this. So here in the bot filter, so all the bot conversation, we can see this rookie and the bot is active. So as soon as I send this particular message through the Instagram inbox as chatting media, let's see what happens. This conversation will be automatically assigned to the human. So if I refresh this page, the bot page, you will not find that particular conversation anymore because it is already transferred to the human. So this particular conversation with the bot will be transferred to human when you use this omnichannel inbox, or if you use the Instagram inbox as well. If you have any questions regarding this, let us know in the comments. And that's how you can actually automate DMs on Instagram to book more appointments and make more sales. Thank you.